Hello smart people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to talk about Instagram tutorials again, and I would like to show you the way how to make your favorite post stay in the top line of your profile in Instagram application. So first thing we have to do is just go open our Instagram application, and after that don't forget to sign in or logged in with our account. And now we just need to take a look on this bottom section, the blank 5 section. We need to jump into our profile right away, and here is my profile, and I already got this for post for my Instagram account, and I really love this post much, and I don't want this post is being layered or being like in the bottom part of my profile, because I want to this post is stay in the top line of my profile so that everyone who visit my profile can also watch this content. So to do that, you just need to open the content that you want to pin. Go click this three small dots right on the top right corner, and after that you just need to go click this pin to your profile, and let's see the result. Go back and you'll see the position is already changed from the bottom part into the top line of your profile. So simple. So that is the way, guys, how to make your favorite post stay in the top line on your profile Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next video. Bye.